Hey guys, how's it going? Brad Riley here. Welcome to another video on the channel. And today what I'm going to be going through is 3 reasons why most entrepreneurs fail and you probably won't hit 6 figures in your agency. Now, just before we jump into the video, if you are new around here, start by hitting that subscribe button and turning on that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And what I want you to do is actually comment down below of this video. I want you to pause it right now before we go through any of this, and I want you to comment what you think is the biggest reason that a lot of entrepreneurs fail or struggle to scale their business. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that most entrepreneurs do when they struggle to scale their business is spend time on low value tasks. Now, a low value task could be something such as admin work. It could be emails. It could be responding to comments on a post. These are all things that, although they're great and a lot of the time you need to do them in your business, they're low value. They don't generate business, they don't generate revenue for your company, they don't earn you any money, they don't innovate, they don't scale. They're things that provide low value to your business. Now, if you really want to scale your company and you want to earn more money, earn more revenue, you need to focus on high value tasks. That is things such as marketing, that is sales, that is PR. These are things that are going to innovate your company to the next level and allow you to bring in more customers. Replying to an email most of the time isn't going to generate you any more business. However, hopping on a sales call, putting videos out on social media to build awareness for your brand, those are things that are going to earn you more money, okay? So the first thing I see that entrepreneurs do that struggle to scale is spend their time focusing on low value tasks. Now, taking us on to number 2, this one is very closely related to this one, and that is self-employed versus being a business owner. So people who struggle to scale are self-employed instead of a business owner. Now, what do I mean by this? Because a lot of people think being self-employed and being a business owner is the same thing. But the truth is, they're actually completely different. Now, self-employed is somebody who are essentially employed by themselves. Yes, on paper, you run a business, but you're just a glorified employee because maybe you run Facebook ads for your client, maybe you run a social media agency, but you're the one making all of the social media posts. You're the one writing all the copy, creating the ads, setting up the custom audiences. You're an employee for yourself. What instead you want to do, if you want to hit 6 figures in your company, is you need to be a business owner. You need to employ a team. You need to employ staff and build systems. Because if you want to scale your company to the next level, you cannot be doing all the fulfillment work yourself. You will soon realize you're going to hit a ceiling and you're going to be working 40, 50 hours a week, and there is no possible way that you're going to be able to take on more clients. Now, a business owner is going to have the complete other, is going to have a complete different situation. Because as mentioned about the low value tasks, if you're spending 80, 90% of your time on marketing, sales, PR, you're going to be scaling your company, and that's going to be your position as the business owner. So that is the second mistake I see people make, is they're too focused on being self-employed instead of actually building a business. And if you want to hit 6 figures, I recommend that actually you automate and build a team from day one. Now, the third and final reason that most entrepreneurs fail and they're going to struggle to hit 6 figures is a real obvious one. This is something I say in so many of my videos, but it's just because it's the truth. And it's simply you're not doing enough outreach. I get people message me all the time saying, Brad, you know what? I've tried LinkedIn, it just doesn't work. I've tried Upwork, it doesn't work. I've tried recruitment sites, it doesn't work. And my response is always the same thing. Okay, that's fine. How much outreach have you done? They might say, I've done 2 a day, 3 a day. I've done 10 this week. I did 30 outreach total over the last month. It's just not going to cut it. The more outreach you do, the more meetings you set, the more deals you close. So you realistically want to be hitting at least, I don't care if you work a full-time job, by the way, full-time college student, you need to be hitting 10 to 20 businesses minimum per day. Especially if you're focusing on these warmer outreach methods, you should be able to get multiple responses a day off the back of that, multiple meetings, and therefore close more deals. The way you're going to hit 6 figures is to drive your revenue up. The way you drive your revenue up is by hitting more outreach. And taking us back onto the last 2 points here, if you want to, and if you have the money to invest, get a VA from day one, $2-3 an hour from the Philippines or somewhere like that, and get them to handle your outreach. Train them, teach them how to do outreach on LinkedIn, on Upwork, on People Per Hour, on recruitment sites, Groupon. I have all these videos on my YouTube channel, by the way, which you can check out. Train them, send them my videos, say, look, I want you to do this, I want you to replicate this, and get them to do the outreach, because this is single-handedly the most important thing. You can be a business owner, you can work on marketing your business, but if you're not doing any outreach, you're not actually physically reaching out to businesses, you're not going to have any sales to do. All right, so this is the third and probably the most important piece of the puzzle here. I see most people who are failing in their business. It purely comes down to the fact you're not doing enough outreach. Now, thank you again so much for watching this video, guys. If you want me to go in more detail about each of these topics, you want me to cover perhaps how you can build a team, and how you can distribute your time up to be more productive in your agency, let me know in the comment section down below. And again, for those of you who are interested in some more personal help, maybe you love this free content, but you're looking for a one-on-one mentor, somebody to hold your hand every single day and help you grow your business, I want you to check out the top link in the description. We have the Entrepreneur Accelerator, which is my mentorship group. And the crazy thing about that group is it's a fraction of the cost of any course, any high-ticket mentorship program, and the goal of it is to help as many people as possible and to ultimately help them scale their businesses. So if you're interested in having me as your mentor, you want me to help you grow your business, check out the top link in the description. Again, thanks so much for watching. Drop a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.